Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup one because I've been so lucky. I've got given a goodie bag from Charlotte Tilbury, yay! And I've got so many things in here. I thought I would do a really nice makeup tutorial for you. I got given a sheet mask and I'm so excited to try this. It's the Instant Magic Facial. You can use it 3 times apparently, which is great, but I'm not going to do that today because it looks quite scary, I think, so maybe next time for that one. What else do I have in here? I've got really nice lipstick with really cool packaging. I've got their contour wand as well, and their highlighters like this. So yeah, I thought I could do a really nice like pinky, just like classic Charlotte Tilbury look for you, and I'm just so excited to try it. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got my little doggy here today. He's so sleepy, aren't he, darling? He's tired out because we went to a Christmas shopping night last night and he had lots of treats and he met so many other people, so he's so tired, bless him. So to start with, I've already got my foundation on, and it's just a Too Faced one because I'm not lucky enough to own a Charlotte Tilbury foundation just quite yet. So to start with, I'm going to do my under eyes, and I have got this little under eye corrector, and it is so cute. I love how there's like a little star there, and the packaging is just so nice. This is in Fair, number 1. So yeah, let's try it out. So this is quite a peachy tone to try and like counteract the blueness of your like dark shadows under your eyes. And it is such a creamy consistency. I don't know if you can see, but it's just so creamy and really nice. So I'm gonna go over the top of that a little bit just with my normal Laura Mercier concealer, because I like to put it in different areas as well, not just under my eyes. So now that is all blended in, I'm going to try out the Hollywood contour wand. I'm so excited to use this because I contour my face all the time, and yeah, it just looks so cool. It comes in a little like thing like this. I've tried it already on the back of my hand, and you twist it like that and then you squeeze it and it comes out that little thing. So let's give it a go. So I can already tell that the colour is really nice. It's not too orange, it's like a really nice, got a bit of grey in it, so it really contours, and it's quite a thin consistency as well, so hopefully it's going to be really nice to blend in. I'm just going to use my my foundation brush that has been a bit chewed by Harlow, and I have washed it since, I promise. But it's just the high definition one from HD Brows. And then of course I'm going to set that all with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I use this little tiny brush to really set it under my eyes and down like my T-zone and stuff, and then I use a bigger brush to do my cheeks. And then again, I haven't got a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer or anything, so I'm going to use my NARS one that I use every day. Moving on to my brows, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift 3-way pencil, and you get a little brush on that end and the actual pencil, you twist it and it's like a triangular kind of shape, which is cool. Oh my god, that's just happened as well. Oh my god, yeah, that makes sense because it's 3-way. Oh no, so what's that then? Oh my god, is that a highlighter? Just go underneath. Oh my god, I've just found that out. Well, that makes more sense because otherwise it's just 2. Ah, clever. Wow. Okay. Right, that's exciting. I'm just going to give them a brush through to start with. I'm going to go for like the light, feathery, bushy brow look today. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to try out the Pillow Talk eyeshadow palette, and look how beautiful the colours are. They're so nice. We've got like a brownie colour and a pinky one, and then 2 shimmery colours. They're just so nice. They suit like everyone. And then I've actually also got these 2 little cream eyeshadows, and they're called Eyes to Mesmerise, and I've got one in rose gold and one in star gold, and they look like this in the pot. They're so creamy. Look at those. I think I'm going to try this one, even though I've just put the shimmer on, but I just want to try it because they look so good. And then I'm going to put this lighter colour here, just in here. So I'm going to use a little bit of my MAC, what's this called? Dip Down Pro Long Wear Fluid Line. It's a long name. Just because I feel like I need a little bit of like brown eyeliner, just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. So for lips, I'm going to use my sister's lip liner. I've stolen it. And it is the Pillow Talk one from Charlotte Tilbury. And this new lipstick. And look how cool the packaging is. It's called Angel Alessandra, which is a cool name. It comes in such a cool little box like that. And the packaging is so cool. It's such a pretty colour. I can't wait to try it. That is so creamy. It's got such a nice texture. And they smell so good. It's quite like a pinky colour actually. I like it. And I've also got this really cool lipstick. It is called Refresh Rose, and I think it's meant to plump your lips a little bit as well. So I'm just going to put that over the top of the lipstick. And then for blusher and highlighter, I've got their Goldgasm Beauty Light wands here. This one is, what colour is that? Goldgasm and Pinkgasm. So I'm going to test those both out as well. So I'm just going to go put on my mascara and my lashes. These Ardell Naked Lashes are my new favourite. I used to love the wispies, but these are like next level. I feel like they're so much better. Yeah, they're just really pretty. So I'm just going to go put those on. So this is the final Charlotte Tilbury look. What do you think? I really like it actually. It's so like pink and just so healthy looking, glowy. I love it. All the products are so nice. I highly recommend them for anyone really. I'll link all the products that I've used down below. And yeah, if you head to my Instagram, you can see all the pictures that I have taken of this makeup look as well. Oh, someone's finally woken up, I think. Little doggy, waking up now. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed watching my video, and I'm going to do a few more, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, bye.